All right, guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to show you about Brave and why I use Brave for a lot of my just general web surfing. So what I love about Brave is you can actually earn real money from just browsing the web. I know it sounds pretty crazy, but I'm going to prove it to you and show you how it works. So when you install Brave, you can go here and then go to Brave Rewards. Okay, and that's the screen that we're on now. You can turn on ads. They'll be on by default. You can set however many ads you're going to see per hour. They just come as a little notification in the side. Very inobtrusive. But the reason I want to do this video is because a lot of people are confused about connecting to their Uphold account and how you get your Brave rewards. Because what will happen is if you just install Brave and you're using it on your device, the funds are going to stay in the browser. So if you ever uninstall Brave and you haven't moved them off of that browser, you're going to lose all your rewards. And so you need to connect it to your Uphold account in order to do that. So that's pretty easy to do. There'll be a button here for you to connect to your Uphold account. We'll say connect to your Uphold account. And you'll see that it says I'm already connected and verified. And I'll show you my Uphold account in just a second. But the important thing to understand is with each Brave device earns money individually. So each browser instance. So if you have Brave on your iPhone, that's going to be a different instance. And I have multiple computers, so I have Brave installed on all of them. It's a little bit of a pain because you can only connect 4 accounts to your Uphold account or 4 Brave installations to your Uphold account. So how do you know which one's connected to which? Well, if you go here and it says you need to connect to your Uphold account, then it's not connected. And so you need to do that. So I've got 2 different Uphold accounts. One is my wife's and one is mine. And so that's how we know which instances are connected to which Uphold account. So you want to get your account verified and connected to Uphold. Keep in mind you can only connect 4 devices or 4 Brave installs to a particular Uphold account. So you can see your monthly statements here under the monthly statement details. But what I want to do is I'm going to jump into the wallet. This is my Uphold wallet. And I have not used this for anything else. This is all just from using Brave for the last couple of years. And as I said, I have a different Uphold wallet that has additional funds. So you get the funds in BAT, Basic Attention Token. You'll see that I have transferred some into ADA recently. Here we go, and then traded into ADA, which is Cardano, which I'm a big fan of. But you can see here that, again, I've received BAT. So 930, 435, 543, 643, 338. So this is all income that I've received from just using Brave on different browsers. Once you've got it here, you can actually transfer it just like a normal wallet, convert it, move it to somewhere else, whatever you want to do. Uphold also follows the market, so I'm following a few tokens here. And there are some integrations where you can see I've got my Brave rewards connected. And with this one, you can actually earn, if you want to lend out your crypto, you can earn some money doing that. Anyhow, I thought it was important to point that out because if you go to Brave Rewards and you're not connected, make sure you're connected so your funds actually leave your browser and go to your Uphold wallet. All right, guys. Well, if this video was helpful and helped you understand Brave Rewards and how much you can earn from Brave Rewards, let me know in the comments. I'll leave a link to download Brave if you want to start using that. One of the main other benefits of Brave is it blocks a lot of ads. So if you go to a site like people.com or one of these sites that has just tons of ads, it'll help filter it out and it makes for a better browsing experience in most cases. As a marketer, the one caveat about Brave is there are certain platforms that rely on pixels and stuff like that. So if I log into my Perfect Audience account, it won't let me log in with Brave just because it's blocking certain important elements that I need for that site because it's kind of pixel tracking and all that kind of stuff. So anyhow, that's the one caveat, but if you're just doing general browsing, it's really improved my browsing experience. Hope this video was helpful. Hit me up in the comments, and that's all I got for you. Enjoy.